first case under Hong Kong's national security law. Hello and welcome to Inventiva. This is Palak presenting to today's big news. Over a year after China passed its Hong Kong national security law saying it would only affect extreme criminals, a 24-year-old former waiter, the first person to undergo trial under the law, was found guilty on Tuesday, that is July 27th. Ying-kit Tong's trial began on June 23rd this year. Now, what is the case against Ying-kit Tong? After the law was passed last year, thousands had taken to the streets in protest. The police cracked down on the protesters, arresting Tong Ying-kit less than 24 hours after the law was passed. Tong was held for driving his motorcycle into 3 riot police officers, for which he was found guilty of terrorism. The 24-year-old was also found guilty of inciting secessionism for carrying a flag with the slogan "Liberate Hong Kong, Revolution of Our Times" written on it. According to Citizen News, an independent Hong Kong news organization, the 3 judges hearing Tong's case said that the defendant displayed the slogan at the time with the intention of splitting the country. Tong's trial was heard by a 3-judge bench, Esther To, Anthea Pang and Wilson Chan, instead of a jury. The 3 judges stated that Tong's understanding of the slogan attracted the attention of the public and aimed to separate the country, Citizens News reported. The 3 judges were chosen by the Chief Executive of Hong Kong and Chairperson of the Committee for Safeguarding National Security, Carrie Lam. Many activists and protesters claimed that the case was against Hong Kong's common law traditions, since Tong was denied bail and for the first time in 176 years a jury trial. The right to a jury is a very significant feature of Hong Kong's legal system. It is a common law tradition which was initially designed to protect people from the possibility of authorities misusing their powers. As tweeted by Citizen News, the court said that Tong's intention was to intimidate the public by trying to contain or suppress the voice of opposition, and even described that intimidating some people in society is equivalent to intimidating the whole society. The court also added that the word revolution in the quote carried by Tong in the protest can be interpreted as overthrowing the government. Taking the example of intention to incitement to murder, the court ruled that proving that there is an intention to incite for murder is enough to be proved guilty, and there is no need to prove that substantive actions like poisoning or stabbing had been taken. How has the world responded to the trial? Yamini Mishra, Asia Pacific Regional Director of Amnesty International, in a statement said, "The conviction of Tong Ying-kit is a significant and ominous moment for human rights in Hong Kong. Today's verdict underlines the sobering fact that expressing certain political opinions in the city is now officially a crime, potentially punishable by life in jail."